Seat. Actually. Often. Marketing company. Stressful. Graphic designer. Drawing and creativity. Novels. Interesting.
Excuse me. Is this seat taken?
No, not at all. Please, go ahead.
Thank you. This cafe is really nice and quiet. Is it your first time here?
Actually, no. I come here often. I like this place because it's calm and comfortable.
I agree. I just moved to this area last week, and I'm still discovering new places.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. Where did you move from?
I moved here from Alexandria for work. I recently got a new job in a marketing company.
That's great. Congratulations. Do you enjoy working in marketing?
Yes, I do. It's interesting but sometimes stressful. What about you? Do you work or study?
I work as a graphic designer. I usually work from home, but I like to come here to change the atmosphere.
That sounds nice. Do you work on freelance projects or with a company?
Mostly freelance. It gives me more freedom and flexibility.
I understand. Freedom at work is very important. By the way, my name is Adam.
Nice to meet you, Adam. I'm Lena.
Nice to meet you too, Lena. How long have you been living in this area?
For about 3 years now. I moved here after finishing university.
What did you study at university?
I studied fine arts. I've always loved drawing and creativity.
That explains your job choice. Do you usually come here to work or just relax?
Both, actually. Sometimes I work on my laptop, and other times I just read a book and enjoy my coffee.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy novels and self-development books. What about you?
I like history books and podcasts. I listen to them while driving or exercising.
That's interesting. Do you like living here so far?
Yes, I do. People are friendly, and the area feels safe and lively.
I'm glad to hear that. If you like cafes, I can recommend a few good places nearby.
That would be great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It was really nice talking to you.
I feel the same. Maybe we can meet here again sometime.
Sure. That would be nice.
Great. I'll see you around then.
See you. Have a nice day.